In a world rapidly shifting towards electric mobility, the Escalade IQ is Cadillac's answer to the future. With powerful Ultium battery modules, jaw-dropping design, and intuitive smart technology, the 2025 Escalade IQ isn't just another EV. It's a luxury statement. At first glance, the Escalade IQ demands attention. Its aggressive front fascia is dominated by a black crystal shield grille, flanked by vertical LED lighting that flows like water. The signature full-width taillights give the rear a modern, spaceship-like look. Its aerodynamic shape isn't just for aesthetics. It helps extend the driving range. And let's not forget the gigantic 24-inch wheels that command presence on any road. The Escalade IQ blends bold design with futuristic efficiency. Underneath this beast lies GM's powerful Ultium battery platform, a modular system capable of housing up to 200 kilowatt-hours of energy. The Escalade IQ offers up to 750 horsepower and 785 lb-ft of torque, allowing 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration in less than 5 seconds. It comes with dual-motor all-wheel drive, air suspension, and rear-wheel steering, including a futuristic feature called CrabWalk, which lets the SUV move diagonally at low speeds. And yes, you get an estimated range of up to 450 miles on a full charge, on par with or better than any luxury EV SUV on the market. Step inside, and you're greeted by 55 inches of curved LED display stretching across the dashboard. That's not a typo. It's 55 inches of pure digital elegance. The interior is a symphony of premium materials: hand-wrapped leather, real wood accents, and brushed metal trim. With ambient lighting, executive second-row seating, and massage functions, the Escalade IQ is designed for the driver and the VIPs in the back. It also features AKG Studio reference audio system with up to 40 speakers, so whether you're on a road trip or just heading home, it feels like a concert. Cadillac's cutting-edge tech includes Ultra Cruise, a hands-free driver assistance system designed for 95% of U.S. roads. It uses LiDAR, radar, and cameras to allow fully autonomous highway driving in supported areas. Also included is GM's Ultifi software platform, which means the car gets over-the-air updates, just like your smartphone. Your smartphone also becomes your digital key. And thanks to AI integration, your Escalade IQ learns your habits, preferred seat positions, climate settings, favorite routes, and adapts automatically. With 800-volt fast charging capability, you can add about 100 miles of range in 10 minutes at a compatible DC fast charger. That's Tesla-level speed. The car also supports bidirectional charging, which means it can power your home during outages or even charge another EV. GM's partnership with major charging networks ensures that Escalade IQ owners will have access to over 175,000 charging stations across North America. The Escalade IQ will start at around $130,000, with top trims reaching over $150,000. Production is set to begin in late 2024, with deliveries rolling out in mid-2025. This electric SUV is being built at GM's Factory Zero in Detroit, America's first dedicated EV plant. The Cadillac Escalade IQ isn't just a vehicle. It's a bold step into a luxurious electric future. It carries the weight of Escalade's legacy, while reimagining what a modern SUV can be: massive, elegant, and powerful. It's everything an Escalade should be, just electrified. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Would you buy the Escalade IQ over a Tesla Model X or a Rivian R1S? Let us know. Thanks for watching.